Some bug fixes or enhancements may require an update to the BI catalog. In such scenarios, the Simplified Loader support team provides the updated catalog file via the support portal. This video guide outlines the process for uploading the updated catalog file to the BI area. This slide displays a summary of the steps to be performed by the BI administrator. Begin by downloading the new catalog file from the support portal. In this example, the catalog file is provided for AP Invoices. Open Oracle BI and navigate to the custom folder, then to SL_templates. In the SL_templates folder, identify the subfolder corresponding to the catalog being updated. In this case, select the folder for AP Invoices. Click on More, then choose Rename. Rename the folder by prefixing it with X_archive followed by the current date. This step creates a backup of the existing version. Please note that after renaming the existing folder and before uploading the updated version, any attempt to download data from the Excel template will fail until the new catalog is uploaded. To upload the new catalog, click on Unarchive link. Browse to the downloaded file, and confirm the action by selecting OK. The updated template is now successfully uploaded. For any issues encountered, log an incident through the support portal.